on the classification of pteridophytes. There were many systems of classification for pteridophytes. Earlier botanists, they classified the pteridophytes on the basis of the morphological characters like seeds are present or absent in the plants. On the basis of the seeds, earlier botanists classify the plants into two divisions, that is Pterophyta and Spermatophyta. Later on, the discoveries of vascular system in the pteridophytes and seeds in the ferns of fossil plants. In the pteridophytes, they discarded the systems of classification in the separate division Pteridophyta and Spermatophyta. Later on, both these pteridophytes and Spermatophyta were kept in a single division Tracheophyta on the basis of the vascular system present, that is tracheids and phloem. Then after that, first we will discuss on the traditional system of classification that was given by Prandtl in 1874. So Prandtl, he divided Pteridophyta into three classes. These classes are Felicini, Equisitini, Lycopodini. A.J. Eames in 1936 divided these Pteridophyta into four groups. These groups are Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. In the group Psilopsida, he included two orders, that is Psilotes and Psilophytes. In the group second, Lycopsida, he included the orders Lycopodiales, Selaginellales, Lepidodendrons, Puromys, Isoetales. In the group third, Sphenopsida, he included the orders Hyaeniales, Sphenophyllales, Equisitales. And in the group Pteropsida, he included the orders Cynopteridiales, Ophioglosses, Merythiales and Phyliciales. Smith in 1938, and he again revised his system of classification in 1955. So he divided Pteridophyta into four classes. These classes are Psilophytini, Lycopodini, Equisitini and Felicini. In the class Psilophytini, he included two orders, Psilotes and Psilophytes. In the class Lycopodini, he included the orders Lycopodiales, Selaginellales, Lepidodendrons, Lepidocarpales, Isoetales. In the class Equisitini, he included the order Hyaeniales, Sphenophyllales, Equisitales. In the class Felicini, he included subclasses. In the subclass Chromophilices, orders are Cynopteridiales, Anacoropteridiales, Cladoxylales. In the subclass 2, Eusporangiaceae, first order is Ophioglossae and the second order is Merythiales. In the subclass 3rd, Leptosporangiaceae, he kept 11 families in this subclass Leptosporangiaceae. These families are: family first is Osmundaceae, Stygiaceae, family third is Glauconiaceae, family fourth is Metoniaceae, family fifth is Dipteridiaceae, Sixth is Hymenophilaceae. Seventh is Cythiaceae. Family 8 is Marsilaceae. Family 9 is Polypodiaceae. Family 10 is Parkeriaceae. Family 11 is Salviniaceae. In our next class, we will discuss on the some revised systems of classifications that were according to the ICBN. So in our next I will teach you the some revised classification of pteridophytes. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss on the classification of pteridophytes. In our last class, we were discussed on the traditional system of classification of pteridophytes that were mainly based on the morphological characters of pteridophytes, that is on the basis of the presence of seeds or absence of seeds. On this basis, the plants were divided into two divisions, that were Spermatophyta and Pteridophyta. Later on, the discoveries of vascular systems in the pteridophytes and the lower plants, the systems, all these plants were kept under the division Tracheophyta. Later on, the seeds were also discovered in the higher ferns like Cycadophilices, though the earlier system of classification were discarded by the botanists, and the new systems on the basis of the vascular system were assigned by them. Synod in 1935, he introduced a new term, Tracheophyta, for all those vascular plants that are having vascular systems on the basis of origin and development of these plants. Tipo in 1942, he gave the rank of phylum to this Tracheophyta and the groups of the pteridophytes under the subphylum. In the subphylum, he kept all the four groups that and gave them rank as a subphylum. These are Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. Later on, many botanists were not agree with this system of classification of tipo because this system was not according to the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, because in that system phylum and subphylum were not according to the ICBN. So after that, Wardlaw in 1955 gave a revised system of classification. This system was according to the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. He assigned Tracheophyta under division and all the groups of pteridophytes under subdivision. So Psilopsida, the four subdivisions were Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. In the Tracheophyta subdivision Psilopsida, there is only one class, that is Psilophytini. In the class Psilophytini, he included two orders, Psilotails, Psilophytes. In the subdivision Lycopsida, there is only one class, Lycopodini, and orders are Lepidodendrils, Lycopodials, Pleuromeales, and Isoetales. In the subdivision Sphenopsida, he kept one family, Equisitini, and the orders are Equisitales, Sphenophiles, and some fossil orders. In the subdivision Pteropsida, he included all the megaphilous pteridophytes, and in this Pteropsida, there is one family Felicini. In the order These orders are Ophioglossales, Filicales, Osmundales, Meratiales, and some fossil orders. K.R. Sponny in 1962 gave another classification for Tracheophyta. He gave Tracheophyta as a rank of phylum. And all the groups under the class, these classes are Psilopsida. Under the class Psilopsida, there are 3 orders: Rhyniales, Trimerophytales, Justerophilales. In the class second, that is Psilotopsida, he included the orders Psilotales. In the class third, Lycopsida, he included the order Proto-Lepidodentrales, Lycopodiales, Lepidodentrales, Isoetales, Laginidales. In the class Phenopsida, there are 4 orders. These orders are Haineales, Sphenophiles, Calamitales, Equisitales. In the class Pteropsida, he divided this class into subclasses. Subclasses under the class Pteropsida. First one is Primophilices. In the subclass Primophilices, he included the order Cladoxyles, Cynopteridales. In the subclass Eusporine GAT, he included the order Meratiales and Ophioglossales. In the subclass Osmundidae, he kept one order, Osmundales. In the subclass Leptosporin GAT, he kept order in the 3 orders, Filicales, Marchiales, Salviniales. In the class Progymnospermopsida, orders are Aneurophytales, Protophytales, and Archaeopterydiales. You can see the star mark on some classes or order. It means the members are studied under these are fossils. There is no living genera. Thank you. We will Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss on the classification of pteridophytes. A fairly complete and the present most accepted system of classification of vascular cryptogams that is based on Smith 1955, Bold 1957, Benson 1957 and Zimmerman 1959. ये टेरिडोफाइट की सामान्य वर्गीकरण की पद्धति दी गई है जिसकी एक रूपरेखा यहाँ प्रस्तुत है। जितने भी वेस्कुलर क्रिप्टोगेम्स हैं उनको उन्होंने 4 डिवीजन में विभाजित किया, जो कि है साइलोफाइटा, लाइकोफाइटा, स्फिनोफाइटा और फिलिकोफाइटा। जो हम कहते हैं मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द वेस्कुलर क्रिप्टोगेम्स, जो कि स्मिथ ने दिया था 1955 में, उसको उन्होंने जो समय जो ICBN था, इंटरनेशनल ICBN इंटरनेशनल कोड ऑफ बॉटेनिकल नोमेनक्लेचर, जिसके द्वारा कि जो डिवीजन है उसके अंत में क्या लगना चाहिए, फाइटा लगना चाहिए, अगर और जो सब डिवीजन है उसके अंत में फाइटिना होना चाहिए सफिक्स, और जो क्लास है या ऑर्डर उसके अंत में टेल्स, और जो क्लास है उसके अंदर ऑप्सिडा लगना चाहिए नाम के अंत में। तो इस तरह से जो उन्होंने दिया उसके अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने डिवीजन डाला साइलोफाइटा। इस डिवीजन के अंदर 2 क्लासें रखी। पहली क्लास थी साइलोफाइटोप्सिडा। इसके अंदर जो भी हमारे टेरिडोफाइट्स है, फॉसिल टेरिडोफाइट्स है, वो इसके अंदर रखे गए, जैसे राइनिया है, हॉर्नियोफाइटा है। इसके अंदर एक ऑर्डर था जो कि है साइलोफिटिस। इन द क्लास साइलोटॉप्सिडा ही इंक्लूडेड ऑर्डर साइलोटेल्स, example is Xylotum. In the division Lycophyta, it is also known as Lepidophyta. He divided this division into 2 classes, Ligulopsida and Ligulopsida. In the class Ligulopsida, he kept the order Lycopodiales. In the Eligulopsida, the ligule was absent, whereas in the class Ligulopsida, ligule is present. So in Ligulopsida, there is one order Lycopodius. In the class Ligulopsida, there are four orders: Laginellales, Isoetales, Pleuromiales, Lepidodendrales. In the division Sphenophyta or Calamophyta, it is also known as Arthrophyta. Class is Sphenophyllopsida. In the class Sphenophyllopsida, there is one order, that is Sphenophyllales. Example is the genus Sphenophyllum, which is an extinct genus of pteridophyte. Class Calamopsida, order Equisetal, included in the class Calamopsida, or there is a living genera Equisetum and some fossil genera. Division for Philicophyta or Pterophyta. In the class division Philicophyta or Pterophyta, the classes are Eusporangiopsida, Protoleptosporangiopsida, Leptosporangiopsida. In the Sporangiopsida, there are two orders, Ophioglossales, and in the order Meratiales, there is genus Meratia. In the order Meratiales, there are six genera. One genera is Meratia. Order Ophioglossales. In the Ophioglossales, there are two genera, Ophioglossum and Botrychium. In the class Protoleptosporangiopsida, there is one order, Osmundales. In the class Leptosporangiopsida, the orders are Filicales, Marciliales, Salviniales. In the order Filicales, all the pteridophytes which are homosporous were kept in the order Filicales, while in the order Marciliales, the pteridophytes which are heterosporous were kept under the Marciliales order Marciliales, while in the order Salviniales, the genera, the free floating pteridophytes, were kept in the Salviniales. Example is Salvinia and Azolla. In the class Primopteropsida, two orders were included, Cladoxylales and Synopteridiales. Weierhorst in 1971, he kept all the pteridophytes under division Tracheophyta. He divided this division into classes. The class is Rhiniopsida. In the class Rhiniopsida, there is one order, Rhiniales. In the class Zoostereophyllopsida, there is one order, Zoostereophylles. The class Lycopodiopsida classified into six orders. These orders are Asteriogylales, Lycopodiales, Protolepidodendrons, Laginellales, Lepidodendrons, Isoetales. In the class Cladoxylopsida, order Cladoxylales was included. In the class Equisitopsida, there are four orders, Hyeneales, Pseudoborneales, Sphenophyllales, Equisitales. In the class Synopteridopsida, order Synopteridales. In the class Philicopsida, there are four orders, Noigrethiales, order Filicales, order Marciliales, order Salviniales. In the class Ophioglosopsida, there is only one order, that is Ophioglosales. In the class Meratiopsida, there is one order, Meratiales. The modern botanists like Kaufman et al. 1989 and Pariha 1996, in the modern systems of classification of pteridophytes, they classified Pteridophyta into 7 divisions. These divisions are Rhiniophyta, division second is Zoostereophyllophyta, division third is Trimerophytophyta, division fourth is Psilotophyta, division fifth is Lycopodiophyta, division sixth is Equisitophyta, division seventh is Pterophyta. Thank you.